Hey there, what's up? Well, do you want to add or remove your unique and custom watermark to appear whenever you take photos and videos on your OnePlus phone? Well, stay with us because in this video, we're going to show you how to do that. Now for that, open Camera, tap on the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, go to the Watermark option. Here, first, go to Add Watermarks to. You can choose it to appear on photos, videos, or both. Then tap on Author's name. Now here, if you want a unique name to appear, or whatever you like, type it in here, and then press Save. Now, along with this name, if you want OnePlus's name to appear, just toggle it on. If you want your location and date and time to appear as well, you can toggle those on as well. Just remember, for this, you'll have to turn on location on your phone. Otherwise, just toggle it off. Now, you can re-customize or remove these options right from here as well. Now let's go ahead, take some photos and videos and see how that went. So that's how you can add, remove custom watermarks on your OnePlus photos and videos. So what watermark did you add? Let us know in the comments and please subscribe to our channel before you leave. Thank you for watching.